guys, today we're doing some unboxing. I've got some PR items and I spent a little bit of money in the January sale, so let's do that. I've got a few items. Some I've got discount codes and some not so much. So the first PR, I already unboxed this yesterday. It came through yesterday. I was so excited. So I already unboxed one of them. So I got 2 pieces from Shoeaholics. Shoeaholics. Yes, someone who loves shoes, but they stock handbags and shoes by Geiger and Cavella, and I picked up some pieces from the Geiger brand. I've had my work handbag for close to 2 years now, 2 to 3 years, and I feel like it's time for a change. Okay, I wanted something that can carry my laptop and carry all the other things. This is the bag. Isn't it stunning? Statement handbag. So you've got the logo there. It says Geiger. And it comes in leather. There's so much space in it. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to carry this bag to work. So it comes with a bag. All the Geiger bags, I think this is like my 3rd handbag from Geiger. They all come in bags that you can pack it in, which is amazing. It's got like 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. It does not have any zips outside, but it does have a strap if you want to do like a shoulder situation. But I think this is more me. This is more me. Let's see if my work laptop fits in there. It better. Yes. The laptop fits. Yes, it's a go. I think it's a good statement handbag. In my last video, I talked about 12 wardrobe essentials and I said a black handbag is one of them. It must be something that's medium size and something that works for you. This is slightly on the larger side, but I think if you want something bigger than the one that I talked about, I'll put the video here. This is a good one. I also got shoes. They're like Kitten sling bags. They come in black. So I also got them from Geiger. I got this number in black. Isn't this cute? It's perfect for work. I don't really wear high heels to work because I have to be on the train, and then from the train station to work, I'm like, no girl, I do not come here to suffer. So this is actually perfect because it's a very short heel. And I absolutely love the branding on the back. It's giving me YSL vibes. Yeah, this is giving me YSL, definitely. Yeah. Yes. It's a brand called Tights. So these are just their leggings to try on. They're 10 denier. And these are 15, so they're very thin. I won't lie. These come in black, but because they're very thin, I think they're perfect for when it gets cooler. I can literally see everything through here. This whole content creation thing is not easy. I mean, like, you do get stuff sent to you, but it's always great when you make the money. I'm just really trusting the process right now. Oh, I love. Okay, it's giving sexy. I've got another color that's closer to my skin tone. Well, it's supposed to be very close to my skin tone, so let's see. These are 15 denier. Yeah. This is more skin tone. Okay. Look at this. Another PR item. This one I have already unboxed it. I'm part of the Monica Vinader program. I've got a discount link where you can get 20% off throughout the year. But in the month of February, because it's Valentine's, if you purchase before Valentine's, you get 25% off. So I've got this beautiful personalized jewelry box. It's got my initials there, CM. And so far I have got 2 pairs of earrings. These are like the Nura pearls, and these are the gold hoops. I think they're called the Dia gold hoops, and a necklace that it matches with the Nura pearls. Obviously they're sold separately, but it's like a match. And the jewelry box is so tiny. You can put your rings there, and you've got like your necklaces on the sides. It's perfect for traveling. So I will put my discount link in the description below for you to get 25% off before Valentine's. But after Valentine's, you can get 20% off. Their pieces are amazing, and if you want to give someone something this Valentine's, even if it's just the jewelry box, I think the jewelry box was like £60, so when you get 20% off, you get a little bit of something out of it. This box is from Katie Loxton. I'm also part of their insider program. If you guys want to join the Monica Vinader program, I will put a referral link below here. But with like the Katie Loxton, if you're a content creator or influencer and you want to be part of their program, I think you can apply through their website or check them out on their Instagram, where you kind of like share affiliate links and make money off that. I cannot wait to go away with this bag because it is a massive. I can't wait to go away for the weekend and just put all my things in there. It's also personalized. I will put a link to this bag and also an affiliate link in the description below. You can get 15% off. I will add my code there as well. But it's stunning. It comes with a strap. Gosh, this I just need to get a black suitcase. I know they have like a black suitcase that can go with this, but this is amazing. This is big. This is me. I love the embroidery. You got my initials in there. You can have it monogrammed, but the initials come on the strap and not on the bag. This box, this is money I spent, okay? I like to buy stuff from Michael Kors when they're on sale. So I did get myself something from the January sale. It was an extra 10% off. I got this bag before I got the Geiger bag. It even comes with a bag. Is it? No, this is not a bag. I think the bag is inside. There's a lot of paper in this thing, oh. I might just keep all of them, guys. I think I would be okay with just like MK on the middle strap here and not having a whole chain and a lock, but it is what it is. I absolutely love this bag. Let me see if my laptop fits. You know, this year, let me carry different bags to work. Yes, it fits. I don't know if this bag will still be available on the Michael Kors website when I put up this video. I'm actually having to put this video up first than another video I've already recorded, so that you don't miss out if, you know, obviously the bag is still on sale. I think it's a good bag again, from 470 to like 175. I'm gonna have to sleep on this, okay? Because I spend money, I'm gonna have to sleep on this and see if I really need it, because I already have a statement bag from the Geiger. So I've got these two. I don't know, what do you guys think? This is free and this is not free. I was just really in the mood of wearing something red. I do have a red jumper, but I like to, you know, invest in brands that are like high quality, and this really called to me. It's a red jumper and I think it's perfect for like Valentine's. I mean, over time I can actually remove the Michael Kors logo here at the bottom, but it's not really popping, so I'm okay with that. It's cute. I like it. I love the red. The quality feels nice. I will have to sleep on this. If I do get to keep the pieces between this one and the Michael Kors handbag, I'll probably keep the handbag and not this. But I am also feeling the red, so pray for me, y'all, because money don't grow on trees. Okay guys, this is me. I just thought I should share with you some of the things that I've got recently. I will put all the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and share with your friend, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see my next video. I will see you next time, guys. Bye.